Kids, take out your Wordsworth, that is GK textbook, and turn on to page number 15. Today we are going to learn about famous currencies of different countries. Okay, before we start up, write today's date over here. Fine. Here you can see names of different countries and flags of different countries and the currencies of different countries. What you see here is a symbol. Okay, symbol is something like logo which we can identify easily. Okay, as we all know, rupee is the currency of India. Okay, so let us know, go to other countries, it's not possible to use rupees. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to exchange rupees into the currencies of their own country. Say for example, when you go to you are going to USA. Okay, what you have to do is you have to convert Indian rupees as US dollars. Then only you can able to spend in USA. Okay, so that is the reason it is very important to know about the currencies of different countries. So from this lesson, let us know the currencies of different countries. Fine? Okay. This is Austria. Okay. The country is Austria and this is the flag of that country and the currency is euro and this is the symbol of euro. So let me write down one here. Okay, the next country is USA and this is the flag of USA and the currency is dollar. Okay, so let me write down 2 here. Fine. The next current country is India, our own India. You all know that the currency of India is rupee. Okay, and this is the symbol of rupee. So let me write down 3 here. Alright. The next current country is Japan and this is the flag of Japan and the currency of Japan is yen. Okay, and this is the symbol of yen. So let me write down 4 here. And the last country we are going to see is UK. And this is the flag of UK and the currency used in UK is pound. And this is the symbol of pound. So let me write down 5 here. Okay. So Austria, this one. USA, this one. India, this one, Japan, this one, and UK, this one. Austria, euro, USA, dollar, India, rupee, Japan, and UK, pound.